hands are burning.
Did it kill a cop?
There's the option to Uber back if you guys want.
Usually it's 2 a day plus a dry scoop.
So we're supposed to be getting the first of 4 new flavors of loaded pre-workout in today.
Alright, let's go play in the snow. Is it fucking raining? Holy shit.
What's going through ankle?
Oh my god. Oh shit. Ugh. Let's get it big. Come on, Brad.
Holy Brad, you're getting a fucking...
Come on, Brad.
We gotta get this thing back to a circle. Oh god.
Who threw that?
Ah, my fucking hands are burning, they're so cold.
I feel like when a husky sees snow for the first time.
Yeah, these are mine from like last year, September. I don't know why they're still in the fridge.
Are you proud of your snowman, Noel?
Yes. I think it looks great. That's my first one.
Did it kill a car?
Turn it off. You can't even get out of the parking lot. It's a long ride home.
Hell yeah. I'm going in a ditch.
He's gonna phone us later for sure. No, man. Oh my god. Don't scratch the fucking windscreen, Jordan. That was an accident. It was an accident. Yeah.
So bad for them. I'm like, where the am I going? How we literally went around the highway.
We were going in
8 times.
We saw the same Starbucks like 3 times.
Jordy
I was like, we've been here. Show me around. Like, just give me the address so that we don't go in circles.
And she's like, wait, it's right there. And I'm like,
There's the option to Uber back if you guys want. Just throwing that out there.
What up, guys? I'm Lauren Wagner. I'm here today. We're in Texas. We're shooting some Chicago Bulls stuff for the new drop. We got a lot of cool shoots planned today. I'm excited personally. Can't wait to see what's next.
Here. Yeah. Beautiful. And then this is serving page.
DJ and expert wallpaper finder.
Yes,
Nice.
Krista. Slay! Get it,
Kind
girl.
of show, like, look over to the side, give me a little shoulder.
Ooh, ooh, ooh. We just wrapped up in Colorado for the Arctic Berries shoot. Now we are gonna break for lunch before off to our next shoot location. It was freaking epic. So much snow, fake snow, but it was great. Having a great time, and we'll see you guys at the next location.
you're back.
Get the goods?
Text everybody. I'm trying to figure out how to get back here. But I figured it out.
Did you have the address?
No.
Oh.
So I was like, I said, it was like, what's the address? What's the address? And what's the address?
Sorry.
I figured it out though.
Good.
Just traced my steps back. The new cans are in QT now.
Oh.
And grape Kool-Aid's in there.
We're at our second location, and we're about to do some vibey, cool shoots with pops of color, and I'm so excited. This is gonna be so cool.
The side a little bit, with like one leg out.
We're about to be shooting the cherry limeade, and I'm really excited because it looks like it's gonna be like kind of like a martini vibe, and I get to wear a red dress and heels, so like slay, let's go. I've never seen anything like that before, so it'll be fun to do something a little bit different. Actually, such a fun shoot. Like, look at this. Cheers. And that's a wrap. What a great day of shooting, some cool stuff. My new best friends right here. Thank you, Ryse, for having us. We love you.
So we're supposed to be getting the first of 4 new flavors of loaded pre-workout in today. Oh, buddy. Looks like it's here. Be a lot of boxes. Yes, sir. crack into it. Oh yeah. All right, I have to pour one up for Nick. To be continued. Oh, he ran away. He said no. He said, I can't drink any more caffeine. You want me to go to NOEL?
Got the last flavor of Loaded Free dropping today. Blueberry lemonade, country time.
Ooh,
Get your final thoughts here.
excited for this one. Holy moly, that's good.
It's refreshing.
Wow.
I love it.
It's like
Get the hit of blueberry up front.
Yeah, the perfect balance of the two flavors. You serving me crew caps early in the
Is it 10 o'clock yet?
day?
You're gonna tell me the bigger board.
Yeah, that's good. That's good.
It's not even 10.
Oh, easy, like 9-2.
9-2.